So it is Tommy Toog, and we are back with more fun and exciting post-Christmas content. Mr. Darling, Happy New Year, my friend. This is the DC4 that we are currently midway through ripping apart. Gonna take all the motor out, take all the panels off, get rid of them, and yeah, keep it moving. You got anything else to say before we do a really crap time lapse? Nope. I'd also just like to make note of his really wise Australian choice of shoes. Just remember, friends, it doesn't matter what you do. If you're Australian, you can do it in thongs.
That shit sucks. Though I seem cool, calm, and collected, making my way to hipster with glasses was a little more than just nerve-wracking. Kinda just counted on her to turn me into goo. Praise whatever and end it with a smile, 'cause for a bit of tad, a little while, I expected you to save the day with sly remarks like, he's so cute and whatever you want. Though the white jacket didn't fit, the friends I came with did perfectly. Snugged right to my body like sad movies and late night drinks. Could've guessed by the end of the hour there was more than just a little smile on my face, covered in custard and cookies and cream. Pissed off I had to leave, but all has to end. You got a smile that could light this town, and we might need it, 'cause it gets dark around here, real dark around here. Most of my old friends I can only stand for the weekend, but that doesn't apply here.
So quick tour, we're just still in the middle of it. We've got a lot of stuff out. All the AC was degassed beforehand. All the radiator AC condensers out. We're down to mounts. All the heater cores out. Throttle cables undone. There's a few more bits and pieces. The wiring loom's undone pretty much. We've got the gear linkages to do. Obviously all the front panels are off. And as you can see here, someone's had a bit of a dingle before. Bit of the old bending, fender bender. And this fine piece of Rio. Real safe, real lovely stuff. We've taken all the doors off, obviously, just to try and make it a bit lighter and easier to move. And pop the rear bumper off. And the lights out. Yeah, there's not much to it really. I guess we've only been going about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. A bit more once we got it into place. But yeah, we're getting through it. Both of us have been doing stuff, as you'll see. And yeah, we've got some little bits and pieces that are a bit shitty to do, and then it should all fall out hopefully. But you'll see soon anyway. Alright, so we got the motor out. You probably saw it on time lapse, but that's alright. Yeah, we forgot to undo the mount, but that's mainly my fault, but alright. It doesn't matter. It's out. 100%. So this is what it now looks like. We now have a B18B for other things. I'm not going to really talk about too much yet, but how do you feel about this?
I think I'd feel a lot better if it went into a silver EK.
I think it would feel a lot better if someone bought some stuff off of this.
I think it would be a lot better if someone agreed to put that in a silver EK.
Also, we found a battery and parts of a torch in the engine bay, so joke's on you, old owner. I got half a torch now, sucked in. Yeah, basically that was a couple hours of fun. I don't know, it's done. It is what it is. I'm sure we'll see more stupid things soon, I guess. Sick. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.